Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the vibration on the Dominoes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the settings section you can find the fourth option, the vibration, and if you want to enable, just click to the next car icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.